Hey, what's going on? This is Candido Gonzalez on The New Beginning. How's everyone doing? Sorry I'm a little off. I got operated on Tuesday on my knee. So I just wanted to talk to y'all a little bit about what's going on. Or what's going on with you guys. Missed you guys. So I got on just to show you. Look at me. I got operated on Tuesday. And I'm here recording for you guys because I care and because I believe. I believe in myself and I believe I could do better at where I'm at. So, what do you believe in? What do you want to do? Are you going to keep doing the same thing you're doing? Or are you going to believe in your future? Look at me. I'm hurt, but I'm here because I believe in a dream and I want it to come true. So, what about your dreams? Are you willing to make your dreams come true? Are you willing for your dreams to come alive? It's up to you. It's not up to me. And always remember, God always comes first. Because if it wasn't for God, we wouldn't be where we at now. I remember back in the days, I was nowhere. I was in this dark place. But because of God, I'm here. I always say something about believe because I have a sign in my kitchen and it says believe. That's my word. I love it because you got to believe in yourself. You got to believe in others. You got to believe in your future. And you got to believe that you could do these things. And you got to believe that you can't stop. And you got to believe and believe and believe. It's just a strong word. You can use it in a lot of places. Just believe. It's beautiful. I love it. So, that's why I'm here to ask you, do you believe? Do you believe in your future? Do you believe that you could do better things in life? I hope you do. Because this is not the way. This is not the only way. God didn't put us here for us to just do the same thing over and over again. No. God gave us legs and arms and a conscience so we could use it. Use it in your dreams. Use it on things that you want to do. Okay? Use it. Because there are other things better than where you at right now. He didn't put us here to suffer. He put us here to use our conscience, our brain, and then to believe in ourselves. That's all we need to do. Okay? It's not gonna be easy. No, it's not. It's gonna be hard. I'm sorry if you hear videos around. It's probably my two kids. One is Gummy Chicken, and the other one is Onyx. Onyx does a lot of gaming on YouTube, so check his videos out. And Gummy Chicken, he does a lot of drawings and cooking, so check his YouTube channel. Okay. Me, I have Facebook, Instagram, and a YouTube channel. Check them out. The New Beginning. Okay. I'm gonna put some links on the bottom, somewhere, on the bottom around there. Just check them out. Check them out. And they're gonna be for you, for your future. There's gonna be jobs and videos for you to motivate yourself to do better. Okay? Check those links out. I'm gonna make this video a little short. I hope you enjoyed it. Catch you in the next one. The New Beginning.